Have you noticed that lately, conversations feel harder to follow? That you keep asking people to repeat themselves? Or that there's this constant ringing in your ears that just won't go away? It's not just getting older. Recent scientific discoveries have revealed that many hearing problems actually start from a hidden process deep inside your body. And until that root cause is addressed, the issue only gets worse. The good news? A unique natural method has been developed to target this process directly, helping thousands of people restore clarity, reduce ringing, and feel confident in conversations again. It works in a completely different way than anything you've seen before, and the science behind it is fascinating. If you want to see exactly how it works, and why so many are calling it a life-changing breakthrough, you'll find the link to an eye-opening video in the first pinned comment below. Watch it now before it's taken down, because what you're about to discover could change everything for you.